Hello Ji, Namaste. A warm welcome from Jigisha. Today let's make a suncatcher. A suncatcher is a small colorful decor to be hung at windows to catch sunlight. It is a nice summer activity for children. For this activity, we will be using the plastic strip that comes in the collar of new shirts. This plastic is quite thick and tough, and that's why we should repurpose it to make tiny little decors. First, let's make a sketch on this strip using a CD or DVD permanent marker pen. Now let's make an outline with a Fevicryl 3D outliner. The shade that I have selected is gold. This 3D outline serves two purposes. First, it creates a raised edge upon drying. These edges hold the glass colors in place. Secondly, this 3D outline gives a nice dimension to your artwork. This outline takes around 2 hours to dry completely. The glitter outliners are available in a variety of shades. For instance, gold, silver, copper, glittery blue, green, etc. It's time to fill our picture with glass colors. Glass coloring is quite easy and even children can enjoy doing it. You don't have to be an expert to use glass colors. The only hurdle in using glass colors is the formation of bubbles. But no worries, these get easily broken with skewer sticks. To match with the sparkling outline, I have used glittering glass colors of Fevicryl. This pack comes with 6 shades, out of which I have used 5 colors. These are golden yellow, sea blue, crystal green, brown and pink. See, there's one more bubble formed. Some bubbles are rather stubborn and they won't burst easily. For such bubbles, use a pointed object like a safety pin. Though glass colors take around 24 hours to dry completely, they start thickening quickly as soon as they come out of the bottles. That is why we should burst the bubbles as soon as they are formed. Once the glass colors start thickening, the bursting of bubbles becomes rather difficult, and they may end up becoming a part of your painting which you don't want to. That is why it is always recommended that before we squeeze out the colors on the surface, we should hold the bottle inverted, that is, the cap side down, for a while, so the bubbles formed rise or move towards the bottom of the bottle. This avoids the forming of bubbles in first place. And even after this, if the bubbles are formed, you know what to do it. Burst them. Here I am using a skewer stick to burst the bubbles once again. There goes. The safety pin is the best way to burst the bubbles. Now let's blend the colors. I'm using a skewer stick for the same. You can also use a cotton swab or an earbud. A little final touches here and there, and our colorful, sparkling, glittery Suncatcher is ready to decorate and beautify our windows. Finally, punch a hole at the top of the Suncatcher and run a thick cord or a string through this hole. Tie a knot and our Suncatcher is ready to beautify our windows during the summers. I enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. It's a bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe and keep liking and sharing our video.